Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your system has the right keys and firmware. This is critical. Verify UEFI firmware is up to date and that Secure Boot is enabled in the menu. Once done, obtain the platform keys, either vendor-provided PK/KEK/DB or export existing ones. Prepare a USB with your OS installer and include a signed shim or Microsoft-signed bootloader so Counter-Strike 2 compatible drivers, and the game launcher can load under Secure Boot. This avoids signature failures later. Next, you enroll the keys into the UEFI key database. Do this carefully in key management or by using vendor tools. Then sign all unsigned components, drivers, kernel modules, and the game launcher so they match the enrolled DB, or use an accepted shim like shim64. EFI that chains to Microsoft keys. Once signed, reboot and test. Make sure to inspect Secure Boot logs for signature rejects, and if using third-party modules, enroll them via MOK with mokutil so the system accepts them. Finally, reboot to confirm Secure Boot permits the OS and Counter-Strike 2 launcher to start cleanly. This verifies your signing and enrollment steps. If the game or drivers are blocked, examine UEFI and kernel logs to identify the offender, re-sign that binary with the enrolled key, and retry. As a fallback, temporarily disable Secure Boot to update or replace components, but make sure to preserve original key backups and enable verbose console logging so you can trace signature failures and prevent repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.